going to go ahead and show you guys how to create some points within a program and show you how to navigate with the robot and also navigate with the robot inside of RoboGuide. Now I know a lot of people won't have access to RoboGuide. Some pretty cool tools inside the RoboGuide software for you to be able to manipulate the robot to do the things that you want to do. So boom, we're going to go ahead and jump into the software. Now you can use your traditional teach pendant, which most people have. Now you can use your traditional teach pendant, which is what most people will have. So I'm going to go ahead and just open up the teach pendant. I'm going to go to select where we've created a program. We've created this main program here that you may have seen in a previous video. We're going to kind of elaborate into this a little bit more, but we're going to go ahead and just add some points to this pick program, and then we'll do some more of the programming in a later video as well. So we went ahead and chose the pick program. Notice how you have instruction right here and edit command right here. We're gonna hit the next button to give us point and touch up. So we're gonna go ahead and teach this point here. And then it's gonna give you the option. Do you want joint, linear, and linear? Then do you want a fine move? Do you want a continuous move, a fine move, or a continuous move? So for this particular point, we'll call it a fine because this is our at position. So I'm going to go ahead and create this point right here. I'm going to go to the next screen, edit command 1 to insert 1. We'll insert like 3 lines of code. Boom. And then now we're going to go ahead and just jog the robot back. So we're going to go shift, and let's see where our robot's oriented at. So the robot's base is X direction. So if you know your right hand rule, then you should be able to point with the robot, but you can also see it here in RoboGuide, the X direction. So in our teach pendant, we can jog in the X positive direction. That's not the X positive direction. You got to make sure that whenever you move, that you're in the right coordinate frame. So be careful, especially in the real world, because that's how you crash a robot if you don't do that. So I'm gonna go back to this position. I'm gonna do a shift forward, and the robot's gonna move back to that position. That's an easy way to kind of recover if you accidentally move the robot in the wrong coordinate system.